how to stop sharing location on Samsung phone. In this video, I will guide you how you can stop your app's location or your mobile location. Okay, let's start it. First, you have to just open your mobile settings. Go to your mobile settings. Okay, just you have to just open your mobile settings app. Go and open mobile settings apps, and just here find here locations and open the locations. And now you can see your locations will be on here. So first you have to just turn off your location. After turn off your location, now you can see here have, and you have to just do the close. Otherwise, the second step is in the notifications panel bar. You can see the locations options is turned on. You have to just do this turn off and long press here on the location. Now you can see location service will be open here. Now you have to just once again app permissions and location services have. You have to just turn off these options both, and app permission is there. If you have like any particular app and you want to stop sharing your location that app, then you have to just click on the any app and here don't allow just to. I hope this video is helpful to you. Make sure like and subscribe to the channel Genuine Guide YouTube channel.